mean, it's damaged. It's damaged. It's not really growing. It's not doing nothing. It's just hair though. I look good with short hair. It's really just hair. I'm gonna do it. Do I really want to do this? Really, really? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As y'all can see by the title of the video and the thumbnail of the video, I'm about to big chop. Because of the noise, the fan in my bathroom, it might be a little hard for y'all to hear. This is my hair right now. I did relax my hair like a year ago, maybe a little under a year ago. It had grown. I was natural. I wanted to relax it. I don't know what I thought. I thought I wanted to relax my hair. I wanted to have straight hair. I want to cut my hair. Plain and simple. I want to start over. I want to cut my hair. This video is going to be a 3-part show. You guys cutting my hair, coloring my hair, and styling my hair. So this particular video is just going to be me cutting my hair. So I'm going to start with it's cut. It's cut. I just cut my hair. But I feel good. I feel good. I really do. I hope I got enough of all the scraggly short ends off. I mean straight ends off that I wanted to get off. And I'm just cutting the fuck away. I know it's not the best motherfucking evenest cut. It's not the best or the most even cut, but it's cut. I know. So my thing is gonna be like, I know that the back is good, like it's gonna be curly and curl up. My issue is this top part right here. This top part right here. This is where I put a lot of heat and stuff on my hair. This is the part of my hair that that I do the most too. And I'm just not sure if I cut low enough. That part scared me. So yeah, this has been part 1 of me cutting my hair. I feel good about it. I'm just gonna take some getting used to. I actually like it. This has been part 1. Make sure you guys stay tuned and go visit my other videos for part 2. I'm gonna actually color my hair. And I know by doing that, it's probably gonna change up the curl pattern and stuff and everything that's going on. But make sure you guys go to part 2 and watch me color my hair. Thanks for watching. See you in part 2.